Hello guys, Volume Day Trader. Welcome on the next market analysis. And today we're gonna continue with the gold analysis. We have a Thursday, and just want to remind you that we have a new YouTube channel for those who are interested in gold trading. Volume Day Trader, that's our channel. You can see our previous gold market analysis. And if you could remember, that was 2-3 days ago when we recorded last gold market structure. So let me show it. That's a 4-hour chart. Market was exactly here after this breakout. Of course, that time we use a smaller time frame. Right now is 4-hour chart. What we suggest that the market is gonna came back here, and in this area we're supposed to look for some kind of the accumulation. What exactly happened? And right now we have a very big move to the upside. We have almost 2,400. It's still not a record high, but let's go for 30-minute chart and see what market exactly did here using our Weis Wave Indicator. Weis Wave Indicator is our indicator, custom design indicator, which all our subscribers getting for TradingView platform. And what you can do here, you can see, let me just a little bit step, we're gonna do 15. Okay, volume divider is by 1,000. Have a look. That was a big sell-off here, and the market exactly was stopped here because few hours later, what we had here, we had a strong buying action. And look at here, 2,000, 9,000. There is no more sell-off. And it's only the correction. Why we know it is a correction? Because accumulation happened here on the strong volume. Look at this, 43, 24, 20. Then the market pulled back here, and here on the last wave, very heavy sell-off, but not big action regarding the price. Okay, so that was the very strong support point. And see, on every pullback, 3, 2, 9, there was no more selling pressure. We have another buying action here, and the market currently came to this point. Look at this, what's happened here, 23, 25, 45. We have a new high here, but market is struggling here before reaching 2,400. It's 13.7, 12.7. We still have a morning session in Europe, but there is no big buying action at this moment. So we have another support line, which we can, let's take this, and the market structure is like this. We have accumulation, first markup, then test, market went again here, and we just broke this level. So what we suggest, what we see, what can happen here is that the market can, right now, if you are not in the position, we're supposed to look for some continuation action when the market goes here and then go here. Okay, I need to finish this. Okay, or we can see the move like this, the new breakout. But remember, buying on such breakout, if there is no huge volume here, is very risky. Okay, so what we prefer, when the market give us a little bit pullback to the last support level, which is somewhere between 2,380, 1,300, like maybe $5 below. Here there is a big support zone. We strongly believe whatever you see here, let me just cancel or drawing, okay? And also let me just off this indicator. Let's go for 4-hour chart, okay? So the next move, possible move, is here. Okay, we are in a strong move up right now after the small correction. So how the market, of course, behave here? We saw a big sell-off here and big sell-off here. Markets get a power again, get stronger again, because those who take a profit from these longs here, they didn't cause the market fall, let's say, to lower prices like 2,200. There are other buyers who anticipate the market, and right now the next level is, in my opinion, about to happen. We have very strong move to the upside, and on the correction, we're supposed to, on the lower time frame, like 30-minute chart or 50-minute chart, we're supposed to look for some continuation pattern, so reaccumulation pattern. How to detect reaccumulation? Once again, we always use indicator, volume indicator, and we see, of course, we watch the volume, and in that lower area, we expect a little bit correction here, and in lower area, we would hunt for long position on gold. Okay, so that is the at this moment the technical market position. Thank you very much, guys. If you don't subscribe us, wherever you see this video, is it Facebook or YouTube, give us a thumb up or just like us or subscribe. It always help us to distribute a good news to all traders who are super active on the market. Thank you very much, and stay in touch. Thank you. Bye bye.